Okay then, so hopefully by now you understand some of the basic concepts of Vue, and you can see how we can create a Vue component to inject dynamic data into our template, how to use methods to react to different events in a browser like click events or other mouse events, and generally just use this component to control a certain section of our web page. But that's all we're doing at the minute, just controlling a certain part of the HTML page. And that's fine if that's all you want to do, just create a one-off widget which you can drop into your website. But ultimately, I'd like to show you how to create full websites with Vue.js, whereby we can inject multiple components and have multiple different routes or pages as well, all controlled by Vue. Now, to do that, we have to set up Vue in a very different way than we have done so far. At the minute, all we do is just link to the Vue CDN in the head. But for Vue to power full web applications, we'll need a bit more setup. And for that, we're going to use the Vue CLI. And CLI just stands for Command Line Interface. Now, don't let that put you off. It's not complicated, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use it. But essentially, this is a tool that we can use to boilerplate full Vue applications, which come along with all the configuration and structure that we need to create full Vue websites or single page applications. Remember, we talked about SPAs or single page applications earlier in the course, whereby a single HTML page is sent back to the browser from the server, and then Vue takes control of the whole application from then onwards and injects whatever components make up the website into the HTML page. And that is the kind of website we'll be creating with the Vue CLI. Now, when we use the Vue CLI, it will also provide us with some other benefits as well. For example, being able to use modern JavaScript features which are not natively supported in browsers, and providing us with a live reload development server to preview our website on, so we don't need to use the live server package we've been relying on so far. And it also minimizes all of our code for when we build it for production, which results in a better performance. So in this chapter, we'll be installing the Vue CLI and using it to create more complex and fuller Vue applications, and then later we'll also introduce the idea of using multiple routes or pages as well. First up, we'll install the Vue CLI and use it to create a blank Vue project.